welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Carson. I'm a professional makeup artist and a clean beauty enthusiast, and I'm here on YouTube to help you figure out what's what in clean beauty. And today is a fun video. I'm going to be ranking and reviewing every single cleanser in my possession. And yes, that it does in fact mean I opened up my skincare cabinet, reached all the way in the back, and pulled out every single cleanser that I currently own. And by the way, if you're curious about the products that I used on my face, or you like any of the products that I talk about today, all links are in the description. And if you consciously shop through those links, then you're supporting me and my channel to thrive in these tumultuous times. And I want to say thank you so much for your support. With all of that said, I have one quick preface. Every single night, I go in with a two-step cleansing method. First with a cleansing oil, and then second with a cleanser that's either gel or cream based. There are no cleansing oils in this video because I only use two. This is a newer thing that I started doing. And those two cleansing oils are the Iunik Cleansing Oil and the Beautycounter Cleansing Balm. Both links are down in the description. I love both of them equally. Okay, so today are all of my second step cleansers. We're gonna go from my least favorite to my most favorite. So with my least favorite cleanser, that was definitely a wasted amount of money, is the Aquareveal Satin Bright Soft Water Peel. I guess it's less of a cleanser and more of a treatment where you put it on and then you rub it off and bits of your skin rub off. They seem satisfying. It seems like you're getting all the dead skin, and your skin honestly does feel very soft after you use it, but I think it's overly harsh. This one smells particularly harsh. It just sits in my bathroom. I probably should get rid of it. But yeah, this is my least favorite thing, biggest regret buying. Use a different kind of exfoliator like an enzyme mask or an AHA mask or an AHA treatment or BHA treatment. Don't bother with physical exfoliants like that. Next up on the list is this Mamiel Brightening Cleanse and Exfoliate cleanser. It's a physical exfoliator. It smells like hot chocolate. It smells really good. I think I got this in a Beauty Heroes box. I really did like it. I was using it for a while, but in the past month I've completely stopped using physical exfoliants because they are harsher on the skin. I find they're completely unnecessary now that I have a good AHA and retinol system in place. This has just been sitting in my cabinet collecting dust, sadly. Next is actually the Ranavat cleansing cream. Now I do actually like this product. So the reason why this is so low on my ranking list is because it's $42 for 3.4 ounces. And while I do like it as a cream cleanser, it does have a pretty strong rose oil smell. The ingredient list is pretty tame, but I would not have purchased this if it didn't come in the Beauty Heroes box. Although I do think the brand is lovely. I think the founders are lovely. I just think this is a very expensive cream cleanser when I have another favorite cream cleanser coming up soon. So just stay tuned because a favorite cream cleanser is the reason why this is so low on the list. And I did lose the cap to it. She looks really crunchy right now. Now we're getting into some stuff that I do like a lot and I do use. The Counterman Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I used to use this religiously on my face every day, and I stopped doing that because I do think it's actually too much for my sensitive skin. It is a gel cleanser. It is gentle, but I love this for my body. I use this on my back and I think it's absolutely perfect for that. It could be nice as a second cleanse once a day, but because I do wash my face twice a day, and if I film, I do wash my face 3 times a day, which I know Leah Yu, if she was watching this video, she would scream and pass out if she found out that I cleanse my face 3 times a day on some days. It's just sort of what happens if I film and I don't really plan it out. It's possible. It's also extremely affordable. You get 6 fluid ounces. This is like, look, it's the size of my face for $24. I think it's a perfect gel cleanser to really clean your skin, not feel overstripping or overbearing. Next is actually the Wldkat pH Balanced Patchouli and Cherimoya Gel Cleanser. It has this really interesting, sticky texture that is really gentle on the skin. It felt really nice. I really like how it cleaned my skin. It didn't feel overstripping or overbearing. And if I didn't have a really solid cleansing system in place already, then I'd be using this more. I also like the ethos a lot of Wldkat. If you're curious to learn more, definitely check the link down below. Next is the Vegan Glow Mild Foaming Cleanser. I really like this because you need the smallest amount. It's so gentle, does a really good job of cleaning your skin. So I do really like it for that reason. If you're someone that's on the market for a really gentle cleanser that's super affordable, easy to find on Amazon even, then you might want to check this out. I love me some K-Beauty. Next is the Beautycounter Countermatch Refresh Foaming Cleanser. This is a phenomenal cleanser. No fragrance in this. It comes out like a cream, and when you use it, it does foam up a little bit, but it leaves your skin feeling so soft. I think it's a very high quality cleanser. There's a small amount of salicylic acid in here, which is gonna help pull out any gunk or grime on your face. It has phytic acid, it has squalane, it has some really nice ingredients that help keep the skin nourished and also clean. So if you're prone to breakouts, you might really like this, and I love that it's a cream consistency because it's really gentle on the skin. It's also 5 fluid ounces, so this is a lot of product. It's still taking me so long to get through it. Now we're getting into my absolute, hands down, favorite cleanser. I use this twice a day religiously, and I have seen such an amazing change in my skin because of that. The CereVe Hydrating Cleanser. This is my baby, okay? Madonna over here, child over here. This is my absolute favorite cleanser, and I'm gonna tell you why. It is so inexpensive. It has amazing ingredients in it like ceramides to help protect your skin barrier, and it is probably the most gentle cleanser that you can get. And since I shifted my cleansing routine, I've seen tremendous change in my skin. I have dry, sensitive skin. Once I started using this, I was able to cleanse my face in the morning and not feel like I was overstripping my skin. I know that cleansing is one of the most important steps, and it can also be one of the most detrimental steps. If you're not cleansing appropriately, if you're overstripping your skin, or you're not cleansing enough, or you're using a cleanser that is full of irritating ingredients, it could have bad effects on your skin, and you could be doing everything perfectly, but your cleansing habits are just actually not good. I don't find that my skin needs super harsh cleansers or really deep cleaning cleansers. So this really does the most perfect job of getting off that top layer of dirt and doing it in the most gentle, nourishing way possible. And the other thing about cleansing is that of course, I'm doing a lot of other things to help reinforce my skin barrier, but the fact that I'm using such a gentle cleanser really is solidifying my skin barrier to be nice and strong. Occasionally, I'll go in with one of my other cleansers like the Vegan Glow or the Beautycounter Countermatch just to get a little bit of a deeper cleanse. I'm just the happiest pea in a pod because of this cleanser. You get an amazing 19 fluid ounces, and I believe this was $20. So this is gonna last me a long, long time. I will say that if you're someone that just really does like a deeper clean, you may not like this. And also if you're someone that doesn't have a morning cleanse already in place, this might be the perfect cleanser to introduce as your morning cleanse because it really is so gentle. It almost is doing nothing to your skin besides getting that top layer of dirt and grime. I could talk about this cleanser for hours, obviously. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, what else would you like me to rank and review? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. I will see you on the next one. Bye!